PPT on confidence. As is our confidence, so is our capacity. Like when you have a lot of confidence, you feel like nobody can beat you, and the game is over for everyone. So confidence is must. People who repeatedly attack your confidence and self-esteem are quite aware of your potential, even if you're not. So people around you attack your confidence because you're not aware of your potential, not aware of your capabilities. What you can do is you only know within you. So we always hold ourselves back. So that's not the way to keep ourselves back. We should keep our confidence. We should keep our confidence in every way, and the people knows the most important, and the people who attack you, they know the most important is confidence. So the most important is to have your confidence and believe in yourself. Self confidence is superpower. Once you start believing in yourself, magic starts happening. It brings the best in you, empowering you to see the things through solidifying your sense self towards success as defined by you. So be enough confidence to believe in yourself and start the thing what you want. I was always looking outside for myself for strength and confidence, but it comes from within. It is there all the time. Once you accept your flaws, once you accept your flaws, no one can use them against you. Chasing other people's attention, just give attention to yourself. It is the best to accept what you are and who you are. The confidence within you, how it works, and it gives you strength. All you need in this life is ignorance and confidence, and then success is sure. If you want to be successful in your life, then you have to ignore others and have confidence in yourself. To succeed, you need to be ignorant of the people, society, and focus on achieving your goals, on your life, on your future. A calm mind brings inner strength and self-confidence. So that's very important for good health. It is all in the mind. It is all in the mind. If we keep our mind calm, then we'll find a peace and inner strength. And the strength you need to overcome challenges and succeed come from self-confidence. So inner peace is must for anything. With realization of one's own potential and self-confidence in one's ability, one can build a better world. Self-confidence is very important. That sort of confidence is not a blind one. It is awareness of one's own potential. On that basis, human being can transform themselves by increasing the good qualities and reducing the negative qualities. Next, you inhale confidence, exhale doubt. You want more confidence to be you. So stop questioning about yourself. Just believe in yourself. Stop doubting yourself. So your abilities, trust your abilities, your capabilities, because you only know your strength and weakness and inner qualities, and face the challenges and overcome that challenges. Yeah. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence. Without hope and confidence, nothing can be done in life. It means hopefulness and confidence about the future or the successful outcome of something in life. No matter what comes at us, we have to keep an optimistic mind. That is very important. Hoping something good to come, whether it's bad or good, but be an optimistic. Think like a queen. A queen is not afraid to fail. Failure is another stepping stone to greatness. Confidence should be like a queen, because a queen never afraid of fail, because she wore a crown of confidence. She has a crown of confidence. Um, Even if you weren't born with a silver spoon in your mouth, you can still be a queen. It's not all that about as a it's a way of thinking, acting, and the confidence you have. That leads to a great step in your life. The crown of confidence you have to. Confidence is not walking into a room with your nose in the air and thinking you are better than everyone else. It's walking into a room and not having to compare yourself to anyone else in the first place. First thing, never ever compare yourself with anyone. And the second thing, never think yourself as a better than everyone, because that's not a confidence, that's a overconfident. And never compare yourself with anyone at all. Comparing with others means doubting yourself, doubting your abilities, doubting your capacities. Everyone has their own qualities, own specialties, so never do that. Stay the who you are and be the who you are. Next, confidence is the most beautiful thing you can possess. The self-believer. The most important aspect of confidence is accepting what you have. In order truly wear your confidence and make it most beautiful thing in your wardrobe. Just accept you who you are, and that is the best ornament you can ever wear. Thank you for listening my video. For listening. Thank you.